Hi, hello everyone. Good morning, one and all. In the last session, we discussed about operation of sets, union of two sets, intersection of sets, disjoint sets. Union of sets means the set of all those elements which belongs to either A or B is called union of sets. Intersection of sets is the set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B is called intersection of two sets. Disjoint sets means A intersection B is equal to null, that is called disjoint sets. A intersection B not equal to null, that is intersection of two sets or overlapping sets. In this session, we have to discuss the problems of exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. So first problem is find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. First one, x is equal to 1, 3, 5, y is equal to 1, 2, 3. So I want to find x union y is equal to 1, 3, 5 union 1, 2, 3. Now union of two sets means the set of all those elements which belongs to either x or either y. ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ವೈ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. That means we should write together here. That is 1, 2, 3, 5. See, 1 is belongs to x, 2 is belongs to y, 3 is belongs to x, 5 is belongs to y. Okay, this is x union y. X union y. Next, second question. Second question, A is equal to x is to x is a natural number and a multiple of 3. B is equal to x is to x natural number less than 6. Dear children, A is equal to x is to x is a natural number and multiple of 3. So now this is set builder method, we should write roster form. So multiple of 3 is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, so on. This is A set. So now B set. So B set, x is to x is a natural number less than 6. What are the natural numbers less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here less than or equal to 6 is the means we should write 6. But they are telling less than 6. Less than 6 means except 6. Except 6 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to find A union B. So A union B means this is A set elements, this is B set elements. We should write together. We should write together 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 5 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 15 comma so on. We should write together, but A is a infinite set, B is a finite set, so anyhow we should write together. Okay, I mean the number is repeating, we should write only once. These elements present in either A or B, so that is called A union B. That is called A union B. Next question. Third one, A is equal to A comma I comma O comma U. B is equal to A comma B comma C. See children, we want to find out union. That is A union B is equal to this. Instead of A we should write A comma E comma I comma O comma U union B value is A comma B comma C. So union means we should write together. That is A comma B comma C comma E comma I comma O comma U. This is A union B. Next, fourth question. So next question is A is equal to x is to x is a natural number 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. So the given question is the form of interval form. 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. Here 1 is open, 6 is closed. I mean I should write here 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Next, B set also is a form of set builder only. X is to x is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10. Here 6 is open, 10 is open, exclude 6 and exclude 10. So we should write 7, 8, 9. Because 6 is open, 10 is open, excluding 6, we should write 7 comma 8 comma 9. Now I want to find A union B. A is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union 7, 8, 9 is equal to, we should write together 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. See children, this A set is the form of set builder. This B set also is the form of set builder. First this set builder to roster form you should write. Here also convert set builder to roster form and find A union B. A union B is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. union 7 comma 8 comma 9, that is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next question. Fifth one, A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to null. So here A union B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, union null means, so that is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Here null means no element. No element, that is A union null is equal to A. According to that, A union B is equal to A. Next question. So now second question. I mean, in this first question, so 5 sub problems is there. Now come to second question. Let A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, let A is equal to A comma B, B is equal to A comma B comma C, is A is a subset of B. What is A union B? Dear children, so is when you will come to is A is a subset of B? Is means you have to tell the answer yes or no. A is a subset of B na? A is a subset of B na? Hauda illava? Anta now answer helbeku. Okay. So here A is equal to A comma B, B is equal to A comma B comma C. A is a subset of B? Yes, A is a subset of B. See, these elements present in set B. A is a subset of B. Answer is yes. Is A a subset of B? Yes. Answer is what? Yes. Then what is A union B? Okay. So now A union B is equal to A set is A comma B union B set is A comma B comma C. Now we should write together A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. Next question. Fourth one, A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, B is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, C is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, D is equal to 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Find. So nearly in this nearly 8 questions, 7 questions is there. I mean, I will do 5, remaining 2 for you homework. First one, find A union B. Second one, A union C. Third one, B union C. Fourth one, B union D. Fifth one, A union B union C. Sixth one, A union B union D. Seventh one, B union C union D. So dear children, for these all unions, these are the given sets: A set, B set, C set, D set. First I want to find A union B. A union B is equal to, A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B is 3, 4, 5, 6. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A union B. Next, A union C. A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union C is 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next I want to find B union D. B union, so observe B set and D set. B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union D value is 7, 8, 9, 10. B union D is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is B union D. This is B set, this is D set. We should write together. Next, fourth question. B union C. B union C is, B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union C is 5, 6, 7, 8. So union of these is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh sorry, so B union C, no, B union C, I written A value, sorry, I written A value. So B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union C is 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want to find A union B union C. A union B union C. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union C set is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now A union B union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is A union B union C. Next question is, so for this one is homework for you. This is you have to do yourself. Its problem you have to do is yourself. Next question is B union C union D. B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union C set is 5, 6, 7, 8. Union D is 7, 8, 9, 10 is equal to, dear children, observe here, B union C union D. We should write together. We should write together. So I mean for B set and C set and D set we should write together. Ivella elements ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. Okay. So that is 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 again is repeating. Already I written 7, 8, 7, 8 also repeating. I written already 9, 10. Union of these three sets is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So and the sixth question is you have to do yourself. So this is the finding of union of sets. Okay, union of sets. I think all of it clear. Next question. A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. C is equal to 11, 13, 15. D is equal to 15, 17. Find first one is A, I mean A intersection B. Second one is B intersection C. Third one is A intersection C intersection D. Fourth one is A intersection C. Fifth one is B intersection D. Sixth one is A intersection B union C. Next one is A intersection B union D. Next one is A intersection B intersection B union C. Next one is A union D intersection B union C. You have to find these elements, I mean these intersection of elements. First one A union B, A intersection B. What is A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection 7, 9, 11, 13. Already I told the common elements of both A and B. The common elements of A and B. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is 7, 9, 11, 13. So intersection of these two sets is 7, 9, 11. Next, B intersection C. B is 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection 11, 13, 15. What is common element? 11 and 13. So here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. These are common elements of both A and B. Both A and B. Here the intersection elements are 11 and 13. Next, A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. intersection C is 11, 13, 15. Intersection D 15, 17. That is, I should write 3, 5, 7. Sorry, I should write common elements. No. So now I should pick the common elements, all 3 sets. What is the common element? 3 sets. So I mean, so 11 is present A and B, sorry, A and C, but so D lilla. 13 also is not there, but 15 is common element of C and D, but 15 is not belongs to A. That's why is equal to null. There is no common element of these 3 sets. So there is no common element of these 3 sets. That means that is equal to null. So next question is A intersection B union D is equal to. So now first I want to find B union D. So otherwise you can write directly. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection, see children, B union D. B union D. So B union D means you should write together of B elements and D elements. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 is equal to these 2 elements, these 2 sets, common elements 7, 9, 11. So these 2 sets common elements are 7, 9, 11. And for this one is homework for you. So this one is homework for you. Okay. So I did A intersection B, B intersection C, and this one also homework for you. This one also homework for you. Now I am doing this. Next question is A intersection B union C. Dear children, observe A intersection B. Already we got A intersection B value is how much? 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union C. We should write together B union C. So B union C is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now we should write together 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, sorry, not together. We should write, we should take intersection 7, 9, 11. So this is the common element of these 2 sets. This is the common element of these 2 sets. Okay. And so I will do this one also. Observe here. A union D intersection B union C. A union D. A union D is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Union D 13, 15. Intersection B union C. B union C. B union C is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. A union D is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15. A union D, no. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. Next, B union C, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now in these 2 sets, we should pick the common elements 7, 9, 11, 13, comma 15. So this is the A union D intersection B union C. Okay, so this is for you homework, and I did this. This is also homework. This is also homework. You have to do yourself. Okay, so in this session I discussed how to find union of two sets problems, how to find intersection of two sets problems, and how to find union and intersection mixed problems. Okay, so while watching the video you have to write the notes. Compulsory, it is compulsory for everyone. Okay, after reopening the college, firstly you should submit the notes. Okay, that is only first. Okay, you should submit the notes. Today I will conclude the class. Thank you one and all.